Right, today we're looking at correlation, so part of data handling. And this is where we're trying to see whether, when we've taken samples where we've got two pieces of data relating to each sample, whether there's any evidence for a relationship between those two variables.
Okay.
We're specifically looking to see if there's a linear relationship between those two variables.
All right.
So we're looking at what we call bivariate data. So each point has two variables. And we can represent them graphically with what we call a scatter graph.
Okay.
Or a scatter plot. So we'll have one variable along there and one there. So we may have a series of points that are, there doesn't seem to be any evidence there of them fitting on a line at all.
Okay.
So that is no correlation. However, we may find that there's some sort of fit towards a line there.
Okay.
That line has a positive gradient, so that is moderately positive correlation.
Okay.
The next degree of that is that where they actually all fit on a line.
Okay.
And that is positive correlation.
Okay. Yep.
Other situations, we may have them vaguely fitting on a line with a negative gradient.
Okay.
Moderate negative correlation.
Okay.
And we may have the situation where they all fit exactly on a line of negative correlation, and that is negative correlation completely.
Okay.
There is one situation that you need to be aware of. If they all fit on either a horizontal line or a negative line, there is absolutely no correlation, because whatever your x value is, you're going to get the same y value.
Yep.
So your y value is not going to depend on your x1, so there is no dependence or no correlation.
Okay.
However, with all of these, if you do find some sort of relationship, do be aware that that does not signify cause and effect.
Okay.
It is just showing there's a relationship. Take an example that your data is, you're measuring number of people visiting a holiday resort and the price of tomatoes.
Okay.
And you find that there's a negative correlation of some sort.
Yep.
As the number of visitors go up, the price of tomatoes is coming down.
Yes. Okay.
Is that cause and effect? It's more likely that you're looking at, it's in the summer.
Okay.
You might be looking at hours of sunshine,
Yes.
and you're getting more visitors to the resort. It's summertime, so the price of tomatoes is coming down. So do not assume a cause and effect.
Right.
It would be quite nice to be able to attribute a value to how strongly something fits a line, and that is subject to another video where we're looking at correlation coefficients.